Bapinyo ia ki kubor man lagas ni warklet ban subscribe ya kanai ka channel kana kicha.
And effectiveness in tackling the menace of drug peddlers. It has been mentioned here that their efficiency has risen up to 39% in solving cases. But here, when we talk about the efficiency of the police, I would like to club point number 4 of page number 2, along with serial number 97 of page 22. We all agree that to fight the drug peddlers, we have to find ways and means to detect their roads of travel, the means and mechanisms in which they carry the substances. When we talk of drugs, we talk in volumes of 5 grams, 10 grams, or 20 grams. I club it along with the serial number 97. The issue here is about mining. If our police have been so efficient in detecting the small quantities of drugs, I fail to understand why they fail to detect a 16-wheeler trucks or 14-wheeler trucks with 30 tons of coal traveling through our highways in broad daylight. Why they cannot detect those trucks? The issue of corruption, the allegations that we have just had a short discussion, in the short duration discussion, the point raised was about the corruption. Now, when we talk about the efficiency, can we ask, do the police choose to be selective in which areas they want to be efficient or in which areas they don't want to be efficient? That is my question, sir. If they are efficient in every area that they are posted, I fail to understand why such big trucks could not be detected. In mining and geology, the absence of the state scientific mining policy has led to big losses to the state's exchequer that runs into thousands of crores. In fact, on this very point, sir, I have raised a question for the question hour, but it was denied, citing the reasons that the matter is sub judice. Parts of the question could have been allowed, and one of the questions that I asked was, in the last 1 year, what is the revenue that the government has received out of coal alone? So I put this question again while discussing this government's address. While we face this debate, I still would like to get the reply from the Chief Minister, who looks after mining and geology. What is the revenue collected in the last 1 year through coal alone? And when I raise this issue, it does not mean that I am against the coal merchants. In fact, I salute them, sir. Through you, sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, at a time when the state is facing a lot of unemployment issues, at a time when our youths are facing problems with employment, we are happy that certain groups of people manage to do activities of coal mining, providing some sort of employment to our people in the rural areas. But then the question has to be answered, can we carry on with this activity at the cost of the state exchequer? Can we allow a group of people to do the illegal business of coal at the cost of the state? These are pertinent questions which this House will have to answer. The constituency which I represent, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, lies on the highway. If the government says that there is no illegal mining, it will be very difficult for me as the representative of my constituency. It will be very difficult for the people of my constituency to say that there is no transportation of coal. We see it every day on the road. The only question is, how much out of those hundreds of trucks that ply through the highways, how much is legal and how much is illegal? This is the question that everyone in the state would like to know. So my salutation again to the coal merchants for providing employment to our people, especially after the NGT ban. But I believe the state government will be able to come up with the scientific mining policy for the benefit of the state, for the benefit of the exchequer of the state, to expedite the process of bringing the mining policy which is in sync with the NGT requirements. Under agriculture and farmer welfare, at serial number 9, page number 3, when we talk about Lakadong turmeric, ginger, spices, aromatic plants, mushrooms, in fact, before I contested the election again, many people from South India has come to approach me to help them to get Lakadong turmeric and to help them to bring from Lakadong to somewhere in a district like Ribhoi where we get a lot of sunshine to dry the sliced turmeric, because they say that in Lakadong the sunshine is not as regular as in other districts.